Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan, and what I'd like to do today is to share with y'all my dog park business plan template, specifically the Word document portion of the dog park business plan template. So the way the video is going to play out is, first and foremost, going to go ahead and give y'all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, we'll dive into the Word document of the dog park business plan template. Show you the components, the writing style, quantity of information, all the good information you all need to know to make an informed decision as to whether you'd like to buy the dog park business plan template or not. And then at the end of the video, of course, I'll give you a link to click on or to use if you are interested in purchasing the dog park business plan template. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and zip through this little PowerPoint presentation. So first and foremost, as promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, MBA, doctoral candidate, as well as owner of Quality Business Plan, as well as Quality Business Consultant. I am a business writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if you all do want to avoid all the fun and growth opportunities of writing a business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Contact information is right here. Be delighted to write a dog park business plan for you, as well as to do your pro forma financial projections for a dog park. I'm also a published author. Check me out on Amazon.com. I have written several books regarding business plan writing. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if y'all do need, like I said, if you need some financial projections, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to help. All right, enough about me. Let's talk about the start of the show, which is the dog park business plan template. So for the dog park business plan template, once you do buy it, you get a Word document as well as an Excel file, which is the financial model that is customized for the dog park industry. For this tutorial, like I said, we're going over to the Word document portion of it. And once you open up the Word document portion of it, you'll be greeted with a title page that looks like this. Most of my clients, what they're going to do is they'll move the word business plan down, and then they'll change this to either the company name, the dog park name, or the logo for the company. Next section is your table of contents. Once you add a little bit of meat to the bone, a pun intended, once you add a little bit of meat to the bone, you add some documentation and some information to the business plan. Go over to the table of contents, click on Update the Table, click on Update the entire table, click on OK, and voila, all the headers and the page numbers will update for you. Next section is your company description section, and in the is the executive summary section. In the executive summary section, I do summarize the dog park, your dog park information. Anywhere you see yellow highlights, I recommend you read. Make sure it applies to your company. Anywhere you see words in parentheses, like here, that's where I do ask you to put your specific information in. So in the executive summary, it's got the dog park summary, the target market, financial highlights, and then the fund request. Each one of those sections are great starting points for you. For the financial highlights, in order to get these three numbers right here, your revenues, your costs, and your net profits for the first year, you do need to complete the financial model, enter your information. I've got this on a separate tutorial. But once you enter all your information, you'll go to the Projections tab. And these first three numbers are going to be the numbers you're going to want to use when updating your financial highlights. And then, like I said, you get your funding request, dollar amount needed to start the party, your term for the loan that you expect, and then the interest rates. Next section is your company description section. For each section, for this section, I do give you a real good starting point for various subcategories. I give you a good starting point for the dog park summary right here. Services section, you can add or delete whatever you see fit. Competitive advantage section, your primary target market section. It also includes a pricing strategy section. Hours of operation, location, which allows you to go ahead and change the square footage and the various components and structures of the business. And then finally, this section it includes a strategic plan, a summarized strategic plan, specifically business objectives and when you want to attain them, broken into 3, 6, and 12-month categories. Next section is the industry analysis. So I do have a subscription to IBIS World. And IBIS World is an industry leader in industry research. And so what I've done is I went over to IBIS World. I researched pet grooming, boarding, and other services. That is the best category I can possibly find for dog parks. This is the only service that is available, and it is a broad umbrella of various industries. But I did go ahead and summarize the information found in the pet grooming, boarding, and other services industry. Specifically, the information that I updated in the template was the revenues, the profits, profit margins, number of businesses competing in the industry, employment, and then wages. So all this good stuff is updated for 2023. Also, what I did was I added another segment to it, which is the the product segmentation. So pet product segmentation is pet boarding, grooming, training, and other. And as we all know, the dog park industry is a growing industry, is growing rapidly, but it's not an established industry yet. So there's very little specific information to dog parks. So that's why I do have to go a little bit broad when covering the industry research for this segment. Next section for the dog park business plan template is a SWOT analysis: strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Anytime you come up to a smart art form like this, you just click on it. You click on that little arrow right there, and then out pops a text box, and you can make all the changes that you want in that text box. Next section is the organizational structure. This is broken into two subcategories: ownership information and organizational chart. Put your organization information up here, and then make the changes to the organizational chart to reflect your business or your vision for the business. Next section is going to be your marketing section. Traditionally, dog park business owners, from my experience, they advertise in usually three general channels, which is going to be your traditional marketing, internet marketing, social media marketing, and I give you a good starting point for each one. Next section is going to be your funding request. How much money do you need to get this party started? As you're going to enter that dollar amount here, whatever the term of your loan. If you're going to take out a loan, whatever that term is going to be, put it right here. Interest rates, put here. And then again, read through it to make sure this reflects your thoughts and ideas. Next section is your financial projections. I do include a financial model with the business plan template. For the financial model, it's broken into 12. Your first year is broken into 12-month sections. So month 1 through 3, quarter 1. 4 through 6, quarter 2. 7 through 9, quarter 3. And then we've got month 10 through 12, quarter 4. And then finally, the pro forma income statement is calculated annually from year 1 through year 5. In order to get these charts right here, the financial statements, you do need to enter your information into the company information page right here. And once you follow the tutorial that I provide y'all and you update this information, then you can get your profit and loss statement from profit and loss year 1 tab here, and the income statement from the income statement tab here. And all you do is you just copy the statement, and then you'll just paste it into the Word document to update it. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up, and we'll call it a day. All right, so in summary, if you do buy my dog park business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document, also a tutorial, which is what I just showed y'all. It does come with a basic financial model customized for the dog park industry, and that video for the tutorial is in a separate video. Also, you do have access to general business plan template tutorials. If you want to take a look at those before you purchase, they are at this link right here. There are some limitations to my dog park business plan template. First, it is not compatible with Google Docs. It is not compatible with Apple products. You do need Microsoft Office, and specifically Microsoft Word, and also you do need Microsoft Excel. And further, if y'all do have any questions, comments, or you want to have a discussion about my dog park business plan template before you buy, I do provide y'all with my contact information, which is right here. However, after you purchase my template, if you want some help with the dog park business plan template, you want me to fill it out, you want me to help you fill it out, there are charges, or I do charge for my time to help y'all with completing the template. So there is no free phone support when completing the business plan template. If y'all are interested in buying my Dog Park business plan template, the link to purchase it is right here. It is downloadable once you buy it. And then finally, if you don't want to mess with templates and you don't want to mess with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan or to do your financial projections, I do offer those services as well. My prices page is right here, or just contact me. Just give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. As always, go out and make a little bit of money and have a great day. Thank you.